Hi, this is Emily Schutte, Future Executive Senior Sales Director with Mary Kay. And today I want to talk to you about the difference between being an active beauty consultant and an inactive beauty consultant and how you can get your discount with Mary Kay. The first helpful thing to do is to replace the word active with 50% discount and the word inactive with no 50% discount. It's important to know that you can remain a beauty consultant being inactive, you just won't have your discount. It does not mean you are getting kicked out of the company. In fact, to remain a beauty consultant, you only have to place one activating order per year. The order amount to activate your business and to be an active beauty consultant is $225 wholesale, which is $450 retail. Remember that retail is what we sell the products for, otherwise known as the prices in the catalog. Wholesale is our discount as a beauty consultant, so 50% off. So if you are a new consultant or an inactive consultant, it is important that when you are ordering from marykaintouch.com that you make sure that your retail is $450 and your wholesale is at least $225, and it will show the discount. If you order less than $225 wholesale, $450 retail, you will pay full price and you cannot change it with the company. So make sure that the wholesale and retail say $225 or more and $450 retail or more. Now that we have a basic understanding of what an activating order is, let's talk about what it means for you, the beauty consultant, and how you can keep your discount always. Anytime you place a $225 wholesale, $450 retail order, you are active and have the discount for the month that you are in plus 2 additional months. So let's just say you ordered on March 20th. You would be active for the month of March, active for the month of April, and active for the month of May. You plus 2 additional months. And it doesn't go by calendar date. It doesn't matter what day of the month you order in, you will be active for that month plus 2 more. You have just enjoyed 3 solid months of your 50% discount with Mary Kay. What happens when you get to the end of May and you haven't placed any orders? In the month of June, you will go inactive. It doesn't mean you're not a Mary Kay consultant. It just means you don't have your discount. And if you're a personal use consultant, you might not need it because you're not selling product. You might not need to order. You can be an inactive beauty consultant for up to 11 months. And anytime you would like to reactivate, you can just place that $225 wholesale, $450 retail order. I say this because it's important for you to know that being an active beauty consultant is not a requirement. It may seem like being an active beauty consultant would be a hard thing to do, but trust me, if you even have a few customers and are doing 1 or 2 appointments a month, you will be an active beauty consultant automatically just because of what you're selling. I have one more scenario to throw your way. While you are an active beauty consultant in your 3-month window of having the discount, if during any one of those 3 months you place $225 wholesale cumulatively during one of those months, that month will then reset as your month 1, and you will have 2 additional months beyond that 1 month. The only time it can be cumulative like that is while you are active. So again, it would reset your month 1 to 1 month later. I hope this helps you understand more of how the 50% discount works with Mary Kay. I love being a sales director and I love being your sales director. And so if you need a selling idea, you're ready to get this business going, you need help placing an order, I am here for all of it. And I so appreciate you watching this and understanding this. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for relevant videos to help you with your business. And check out the playlist that I have made for you.